Wow, dude. I am not feeling good. I have a LaCroix in my hand today. This is not a vodka Red Bull. I am dead. I'm shaky. I'm tired. I'm like exhausted. I was out till 2:30 last night, having such a good time out here in Vegas, dude. I love this place because it just is the way that it is. They made this place for adults, and adults are out here having a good time. And I'm 28, so I'm one of them. But dude, I'm paying the price right now. And I mean, holy crap am I paying, dude. There's a big football game today. I'm trying to work up some energy to watch it. I'm trying to work up some energy to do this video. But in line with what I said yesterday, I'm just done trying to be perfect. I'm just saying things the way I want to say them. And today, because my brain is not functioning, I'm just going to talk about something that is easy to talk about. And that's a story that happened in my life. The story of how I shattered my elbow. I think it's important to tell you guys this because then you can understand where I'm coming from. I know in an earlier video, there was someone who saw it and said, "Wow, dude, you are so cocky. You're always working out in these videos, showing off." And I was thinking about this. Maybe if they knew the fact that there was a time in my life when I couldn't use my right arm. I blew this thing out. I didn't know if I was ever going to be able to do a pull-up ever again. And now I can. And that's part of the reason why I work out and why I'm so grateful for it. And you know, when you see people like this, when you see what they've been through and why they are going through what they're going through and the way that they're acting, it makes a little more sense. So basically, here's the story. I was ding-dong ditching my teachers in high school. It was summer. I was riding my bike around. Boom, 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 hitting house after house. Last one, always the last one. I ding-dong this house. I'm biking away with my friends. And all of a sudden, my brake cable goes through the front tire. I fly off of this thing. And I put my hands out and boom! My elbow literally goes like out this part of my arm. And it was 2 years of surgery, rehabilitation, couldn't move my arm, could barely use my right arm. And that is also why I started filming, because I had nothing to do for a whole summer. So I decided to film my friends have fun rather than have fun because I couldn't. And then eventually, you know what? I overcame it. I still got the scars to prove it. I still can't extend my arm all the way. And that's why I work out. That's why I do pull-ups, because I know it can be taken away from me. It has been taken away from me. And I hope that someone out there sees this. Maybe it's the person who watched that other video and thought I was being cocky. Because in reality, maybe I am. Whatever. But I'm happy I can do pull-ups, dude. And that's just something I wanted to share with you guys today. Because it's easy to talk about, dude. I am completely fried right now. But yeah, you know, that's just me. That's the way I am. That's part of the reason why I am the way I am. And I think everyone has stories like this in their life. They have moments that shape them. And then when other people around them, their friends, their family, total strangers, if they come to know that, then it helps them understand, okay, this is the way that this guy got to this point, and this is why he is the way that he is. And that's part of the reason I am the way that I am. And for example, today, I am hungover because of last night. And that's why I have this LaCroix. I don't know if this is a good one, but I don't really care. You know what? Once again, imperfection is the thing that I'm chasing now. I'm embracing the fact that I'm not perfect. Someday, I'm going to be out here doing a better video. But today, I'm like the Cowboys last night. I'm like Dick Trisket. I'm down 48-32 in the fourth quarter. And I'm accepting it. And tomorrow, I'm going to come back, hopefully better. Hopefully, I'm rejuvenated off of the LaCroix. And then I will have a more thought-provoking, interesting video. But for today, that's all I got to say, bro. I'm hungover. It's time to watch this Eagles game now. And just get through another day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 37. I'm out of here, dude.